Hey YouTube, it is me, Rouge Games, and today I picked up Medal of Honor Warfighter Limited Edition. I know it came out quite a while ago. I thought it looked like a decent game. Same engine as Battlefield 3. And I also got the Battlefield 4 beta, which just came out, so I don't know if I still get it. There it is. Can't really see it that well. It's M-rated, you know. EA, all that stuff. And yeah, so here we go. Let's see if I can do this. Suck at unboxing. Okay, come on. Alright, hold on guys. There we go. Alright. Let's turn this last bit of grass off. Come on. Ah. Yes, there we go. Okay. Got the big piece off. Okay, so there we go. Got the plastic off. So here it is. There it is. Instruction manual. So there we go guys. Thanks for watching and bye.